Well, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are reviewing electric lighter. So I'll definitely have a link in the video description where you guys can get this. But yeah, this is good for grills, or if you don't want your hand close to whatever you're trying to light. So you got a nice little holder here. Right here, this is how you turn it on or off at the end. And that's how you charge it, because this is rechargeable. So you press the on. There you can see your battery indicator. Let's go ahead and turn that off. So and as you lift it up, it turns on. So do you see it's not on right now? So right now it's not on. You go up higher and now it's on. Creates a nice little arc. It is auto disable feature as well, so there it stays on and we're not touching it, and it automatically goes off after a certain time. So just to show you guys how this works exactly. Please do not try this at home. This is under adult supervision with water beside. So there you can see. Here you can kind of see what it can do. So when we take it over, when you go around, it arcs in between. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? Links in my video description if you guys are interested. It works very well. I think we can definitely give this a 9 out of 10. I like it. It's really long, so you press it and you're really far back. Yeah, I definitely highly recommend it if you guys are interested. So on the back, adult only, don't touch the arc. It's high voltage arc, so it should be kept away from metal. Recharge time, so recharge it to extend the life of the product battery. Store in a dry environment and do not expose to high heat above for a long time. It does 100 strikes per charge, 3 seconds per time, 7-second automatic power off protection, safety switch, wind resistant, and USB rechargeable. Alright guys, check out the link in my video description for more features and how much it is. And if I didn't add, it's USB rechargeable. So, and they supply the USB, and you can charge this with any USB outlet. You know, you can even charge it with a computer or laptop, wireless, not wireless, but a solar charger, whatever. Anything that you can plug this into will charge it. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.